What's up guys, it's me, TrappedGamer here. Apple Watch Series 7, it's finally here, I would say after a long wait. So, am I excited to unbox this watch? Of course. This is what I like doing on this channel. So, Apple Watch Series 7, it comes in Midnight, Starlight Green, Blue, and Product Red. Any guess on which color I am unboxing? If your guess is correct, please put it in the comments below. Also mention which is your favorite color as well. Alright, so let's, just open up the new Apple Watch Series 7. It's interesting how they decided to have the opening be like this. They've had it for like the past few years like this. As you can see, now you can tell the color. It is blue. Let's check out the watch front first. Just like on the iPhone 13, the way to take it off is, again, slightly easier than before. Just peel that off and then just gently allow that to pass. Alright, again, it's there too, so here we are, the watch face. Obviously in a blue covering. Let me just have a look at this. Wow, it looks nice. Obviously very clean, and it looks really good. But I can't really tell the difference at first until I compare it up close with like my Apple Watch, which is an Apple Watch SE. So it's a little bit larger in size, but otherwise it's not really that different at all, except for a few other things I'll explain eventually. Here's a charger, again magnetic. Apparently it charges even faster, which is awesome. And time to move on to the wristband. Let me just, again, peel this off. Just get over that. Capri Blue Sport Band. Alright, so this is a Capri Sun Blue Band. I'm just trying to open it. This seems a little bit more difficult to open. Oh, I was so dumb. It's literally like one right here. Okay, so let's look at this. This blue wristband looks awesome. I gotta say, it's very interesting looking. And other than that, I think it looks pretty clean too, which I think is really interesting. Obviously, there's instructions on how to put it on in case if you're just trying out Apple products, but other than that, I think that's it for the unboxing. Alright, so before I start describing, I just gotta, move all this stuff out. Alright, so let's talk about, this year's model versus last year's model. So, this year's model is 41mm compared to the 40mm in the last one, which is right here, and 45mm compared to 44mm in Series 6. The Apple Watch Series 7 includes new, larger display that stretches the screen closer to the edges for a moment and more full-based aesthetic and showing more information. Even if it has a slight curve at its farthest edges, Apple says the watch is overall more durable due to a 50% thicker glass cover and IP6X rating for better dirt and sand resistance. One of the best features on the new Apple Watch Series 7 is the newly added fast charging system, right here, the charger, which Apple claims is 33% faster and capable of charging the watch, this watch only by the way, to about 80% charge in about 45 minutes. Which is pretty insane. But if you want to take advantage of the fast charging, you'll need to make sure to use the charger that comes with the Series 7, which is obviously the one right here, which is a brand new and slightly different type of charger that's different from the old model. New watches exclusive to the Series 7 promise to put the extra screen to work. I will definitely be trying that and see how I feel or see any noticeable difference. Apple Watch Series 7 has a full swiping keyboard for text input, which I am excited to use. It is compatible with the new workouts and maintains all the health tracking features found on prior iterations, sleep tracking, heart rate, and blood oxygen monitoring, and fall detection that now registers during workouts. There's plenty to take advantage of if you're in the market for a new Apple Watch and prefer to have Apple's latest and greatest iteration. The Apple Watch Series 7 features all the same sensors of the series as features as a blood oxygen sensor, electrical heart sensor, and third generation optical sensors. Just to let you know, the base model for the Apple Watch Series 7 is $399, and Apple removed the Series 6 from its website on October 8th, when the pre-order for the new watch started. If you want to buy a brand new Apple Watch from Apple, this one, you now only have 3 options. The Series 7, which starts at, like I said, $399. The still very good SE, which is the one I have on my hand right now, which was introduced last year and starts at $279. And many years old Series 3, which starts at $199. Thank you for watching. This week's quote is, "Work smart, not hard." Please like and subscribe.